Feeding the growing global population in a sustainable manner is one of the greatest challenges facing humanity. While it is possible to feed the planet without destroying it, it will require significant changes to the way that food is produced, distributed, and consumed. One of the key challenges in feeding the planet is to produce enough food to meet the needs of a growing population, while minimizing the environmental impacts of agriculture. This could involve the adoption of sustainable agricultural practices, such as regenerative agriculture, which aims to improve soil health and increase crop yields while reducing the use of synthetic inputs. It could also involve the use of precision agriculture techniques, which use technology to optimize crop management and reduce waste. Another way to feed the planet without destroying it is to shift towards plant-based protein sources, which have a lower environmental impact than animal-based protein sources. This could involve the increased production and consumption of plant-based protein sources such as beans, nuts, and legumes, as well as the development of plant-based meat alternatives. Reducing food waste is another important way to ensure that the planet's resources are used more efficiently and sustainably. This could involve improving food storage and transportation systems, as well as changing consumer behavior to reduce waste at the household level. Ensuring that seafood is produced in a sustainable manner is another important way to feed the planet without destroying it. This could involve the use of sustainable fishing practices, such as catch limits and gear restrictions, as well as the development of sustainable aquaculture practices. Ensuring that food is distributed and transported in a sustainable manner is another important factor in feeding the planet without destroying it. This could involve the development of more efficient and sustainable supply chains, as well as the adoption of alternative modes of transportation, such as electric vehicles or cargo bikes. One way to reduce the environmental impacts of agriculture is to shift away from the use of synthetic fertilizers, which can have negative impacts on soil health and water quality. Instead, farmers could use plant-based fertilizers, such as compost or cover crops, which can improve soil health and fertility without the negative impacts of synthetic fertilizers. Small-scale farmers often play a critical role in producing food for local communities, and supporting these farmers can be an important way to ensure a more sustainable and equitable food system. This could involve providing small-scale farmers with access to resources, training, and markets, as well as supporting policies that promote their success. Overall, feeding the planet without destroying it will require a multifaceted approach that involves a range of technological, policy, and behavioral changes. By working together, governments, businesses, and individuals can take steps to ensure a more sustainable and equitable food system for the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to support us. See you in our next video.